With Nan Rathore. Today is 22nd of May. Just to show you the update of Springs Apartment, Canal Road, Lahore. Thank you. Okay, so we can see that the portion of 4C and 4D, it has all reached up to the ground level, and preparations are in place to make the first floor for this one, the mezzanine floor. The mezzanine floor will be poured over here. You can see the crane is operational. It is taking the cement right now. And it will all the way start pouring this cement, the concrete for the slab. Block 3. Things have been pretty fast for the updates for the construction because the pace has all been taken up now. Okay, so block 2. This is block 2. You can see the material have been coming in. And block 2 is all set because after the ceiling and everything, block 2 is all set for the tiling work as well. You can see for block 1 as well, the paint, the final touches are in place for block 1 as well. So this is in front of block 2. There's a trawler waiting to get unloaded. It has all been filled with the tiles as well. So this is block 2. Ceiling work, and you can see, if I can show you that, you can see some ceiling work. It's all been done. All right. So looking at the pace, I can surely say that by December 2021, we are going to deliver block 1. This is 1. As you can see at my back, 2 and the 3 at the back side as well. We're going to deliver that in due time. Thank you very much. This is Adnan Rathore.